Fucking Bel Air, man. Come on, man.
To medicated meals and good people.
My name is Rudy, aka Chef Fantabulous with Cannabis Catered events, and we like to throw some nice high-scale cannabis dinners with infused food or cannabis pairings where the food is not infused. So I can manufacture and produce full of events if you want me to facilitate that, or I can just do some, some intimate dinners or some bites like we have here tonight. I was one of those Filipinos who got sent home to the Philippines. That's where the seed of cooking was actually planted inside of me. And then this is an infused one right here. Sure, yeah. So it's in the sriracha, it's the hot sauce. Let them know that that's got a little extra kick in it.
This is Chef Rudy's medicated Filipino tacos. We got adobo and vegan bistec.
There's going to be a lot of influential people who are in the industry that will be at this function, So I like to call them heavy hitters, That's the beauty of this cannabis community. It's where dreams can come true, All walks of life of people come to these events and are in this industry, and everyone's just really welcoming, and we're most people are genuine.
We're to learn and feed off of each other's successes and help each other become better chefs. In the Canna Chef world, we learn off of it.
And infusing techniques, you know what I mean? He's not gonna withhold anything from me. Where you guys at? Y'all in here. Hi, Chef Devin. What? Blowing our minds over here. Bel Air.
Now it's all about you gotta get the liquor cooked off. Now you give it a nice little toss to make it boss.
More events like this bring people together. It's great.
I want to kind of people to see that sophisticated, educated people who smoke weed, and eat weed, because it's a medicine.